Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create walking reels video editing using VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone. And first of all, I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project here, and then I'm going to choose video based. Okay, and I'm going to choose this video. Okay, click on next and make sure you select this ratio, 9:16 ratio, because this ratio is suitable for Instagram Reels. Okay, and then I'm going to change the speed. I'm going to go to the speed option, and then we can choose this one, hero time. All right, and then I'm going to add like a blur transition to my video. Wait, I'm going to add it right here. Okay, wait guys. All right, I'm going to split and then add blur transition. I'm going to choose blur. Okay, and let me play it. And then I'm going to add one more blur transition. Okay, I'm going to add here. Click split and then add the blur transition. All right, and then wait, let me play it. Okay. Okay, wait, I think, okay. It looks good. And then to make it more captivating, we can add music to our video. I'm gonna go to music and I'm going to select music, and then you can either add music from the library or you can add your own music. And for me, I'm just going to add music from here. I'm going to choose the dynamic category, and then I'm going to choose this one. Oops. Okay, I'm going to use this music, and then I'm going to select the part of the music. Let me use this one, and we can add fade in and fade out effect as well, but I'm just going to leave it like that and click on the check mark. And then, okay, I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay. Alright, and now it's done guys, and that's all the way to create walking reel video editing using VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!